Next weather forecast with meteorologist Kate Bilo. So there is hope on the horizon. After we were faked out this weekend, it felt like.
Yes, that was like fake spring on Saturday, but we do have an extended stretch of above average temperatures and even 60s and 70s to look forward to, Josh, by the time we get into the weekend and next week. We just have to get through this little return of winter. March came in like not so fast. We're still a winter month here, still winter until March 20th. That's the official start of astronomical spring, and it feels like it. Looks nice outside, but when you step outside, you will notice very quickly it is cold. Once again, temps are in the 20s. It feels even colder than that, and we do have a storm system to track that's going to throw some moisture into the cold. Never a good mixture when you're looking for a quiet, pleasant weather, but we do have a wintry mix to tell you about tomorrow morning. We do have a next weather alert for it as rain starts to move in, but temperatures overnight into tomorrow morning will be close to freezing, especially north and west of the city. So this may start as a period of light snow and freezing rain. Some slick conditions for the morning commute. Any untreated surfaces, those first to freeze spots like bridges and overpasses, something we're concerned about for tomorrow morning, and for that reason a next weather alert. Doesn't look like a massive system, but certainly an inconvenience for your Tuesday morning. By the weekend, a notable warming trend as we surge into the 60s and 70s. Now late week it's milder, we're into the 50s, but it's a little bit of an unsettled stretch as we kind of have that battle between the warmth and the cold. I do think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday all feature at least the chance for a little bit of rain. Have the umbrellas handy this week. Right now though, it's 26 and it feels like 16. We're right back to the frigid air in place. Winds are northeasterly, 10 miles an hour. The good news is, unlike the last time we had a stretch of cold and there was no end in sight, there is some light at the end of the tunnel. But we got to get through today and tomorrow morning before we can talk about the good stuff. Next 12 hours, it's cold. It's going to cloud up as well. Temperatures getting to the mid to upper 30s. Now, there is a chance if you're in South Jersey, and I'm talking Cumberland, Salem, the Shore Points, Cape May County, and into Delaware. These are spots that may pick up a little light snow later today. And it's because of this band of snow breaking out across West Virginia this morning. That's going to be heading toward our southern zones later on today. And then all of this moisture, all this precip lifts back north as a warm front, and that's what's going to cause the wintry mix concerns for tomorrow morning. So here's the timing. This is 3 p.m. today, and notice temperatures are above freezing at the surface. So as this light snow or snow showers comes through, probably not going to see much in the way of accumulation, maybe a coating on the grass in those far South Jersey areas and into Delaware. 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, this starts to lift back north, and we may start the day with a little bit of light snow here. You can see temperatures right around the freezing mark. Here's Allentown, 28 degrees. As this all lifts north, it's going to bring some overrunning warm air with it, and temperatures do rise above freezing by about 7 in the city, but still below freezing north and west. And it's just plain rain down the shore and into Delaware. So this pink you see, this is the potential for freezing rain. So colder surfaces, elevated surfaces, anything that's untreated, when rain falls, even as liquid, but it falls onto a sub-freezing surface, it's going to turn into ice. And that's what we'll be watching for tomorrow morning. Very quickly, temps rise enough that this moves on out, lightens up a little bit and changes to plain rain. But then we've got another batch of rain tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Temperatures are warm enough that this is going to be all rain, but it is going to be another slow start to the day on Wednesday before we start to get some sunshine back in the afternoon. So tomorrow morning, a next weather alert for that wintry mix starting as light snow or freezing rain, mainly I-95 north and west. Watch for some slick conditions. I do think we'll likely have a winter weather advisory to tell you about up in parts of the area of mainly the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. But take a look at the good stuff. This is what we are looking forward to. Today and tomorrow, we're only in the 30s. By the end of the week, we're in the 50s. Saturday, mid 60s. And then it's looking likely that we get a stretch of 70s starting Sunday and lasting toward the middle of next week. Now, there may be some rain to go along with it, but look at this warming trend. And I think you'll get some time on Saturday, certainly to get outside at 65 degrees.